Stay tuned. Come on.
You're a dork. You're
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Carrie. This is Mark. This is our son Parker. He's in from school. He's going to help us finish up the Cornice board project that we're working on for the camper.
Yeah, we're real excited about the Cornice boards. It's going to be awesome. And Parker, what do you think about it, man?
Kids, I've ever heard the word cornice in my entire life.
What?
I think they're making it up, but I'll go along with it.
What is up with that? Everyone's heard of Cornice board. So anyway, come along with us. We're excited. Hope you learned something. And oh yeah, Oscar. By the way, what do you think of his beard? Yeah, okay.
I like it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, leave a comment.
So, we'd like to make the camper just a little bit homier for us. We're not super crazy about this pattern. It's better than some we've had, but anyway, I bought the curtains to match the bedding and thought I would kind of section them off and maybe make a cute little valance or something just to cover it well. It's fine for this window, but some of the other larger ones, they're not wide enough, and I can't find just the fabric anywhere, so I don't know, kind of abandoned that idea. Then we thought we'd do maybe curtains, but we really like these blinds. We wanted to keep those. We don't want to go to too much trouble and expense, so ditched that idea. We thought about taking these off and just recovering them with this fabric. But looking on YouTube at different videos, there's apparently tons of staples, and we kind of wanted more of a, I don't know, a little bit different look. Plus, I don't know how durable this fabric would be in the end. So what we decided to do is go for a rustic look, and we are going to do some boards that Mark is going to stain, and do cover this, keep this here, and do a cornice of like some rustic wood up here. We're going to go to Lowe's today, pick out the stain, pick out the boards, and we're going to take you along with. You're not going. You can't go with us. You can't go with us. I know you want to go, but you can't.
These will be the sides of the windows. We have 6 windows total. So right here, it may not look like it, but here's a window. Here's the top, here's the front, here's one side, and there's the other side.
There's a peek at Parker right there, getting ready. We're gonna nail gun this together.
Okay, I just came out to check on the boys, see how everything is going.
Okay, so here are the Cornice boards. Look at that, the cornices. It's awesome! So,
Okay.
check it out.
Ready to try them out.
Hey, we're so excited.
Here's the first one.
I know, it's
Just
so...
fit right on. We gotta touch that up over there.
Yep. Touch it up.
Yep. See, there's a little rustic look.
And this one in particular had to have a top on it, but all the other ones, they don't have to have tops on there because they go all the way to the ceiling and you can't tell if they have tops or not. And some of them, you can't have a top on it, just too close.
We can use it as a little shelf.
Little shelf! I love it. Okay, so we finally made it to the end of the Cornice board project.
Parker had to go back to school.
Yep.
He helped Mark a whole lot, but he had to go back to school. So now Mark and I are gonna get to place them in. Oh, we put them out to dry in
Yeah.
the sun and kind of get the fumes out and
They
off from the
fumed.
stain.
Yeah, it was awful. I mean, it just fumed and fumed and fumed.
So we didn't want to put them in the camper, but we're gonna do that now
Yep.
after they've dried out and are less stinky.
Yeah, and we're excited.
Yeah, it'll be
Finally,
great.
the close of the project.
Right. Here we go. Putting up the first one. Voila. Yay.
Okay, so we finally finished
Yes.
the Cornice project.
Yes. Here's one for y'all to see. And
Yay!
turned out great.
And we're thinking maybe you might be a shelf too.
Yeah.
Put some things up there. So,
Thanks
anyway.
for watching, guys. We appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to The Art of RV.
Yes, and in the comments, if you did the same thing or something similar, I'd love to see some pictures.
Yeah.
It would be fun. It'd be very rewarding, you know. So we're excited about this project. Made a huge difference in our trailer.
Yeah. Looks great.
It does.
Thanks again. See you in the next video. Oscar says bye.